It's right at the end of the day, folks, but I might be wrong, but I think it's about the last piece, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the last piece.
Yep. Well, there we go.
This is where it all goes horribly wrong. No, we shouldn't joke about that now. So we tell the fat lady.
Shush.
Lads, first.
Ready? Okay, up on the wire, bud.
The last bit, the crappy, horrible,
Can you have a lever bar?
no good wall plate with evidence of another wind brace hole there. There we go.
Guess that didn't have a tenner on the end?
No. Well, that was, must have been your work there, Dom.
Head up, please. Head up.
Hang on.
Head up. Yeah, do you want to grab that?
You putting a chunk of rope on this?
Wire.
Can we have a...
Alright, hold it there. Tag line on it.
Oh, it's too fucking late.
He's gone. It'll be alright, up and away. It's not going to catch the wind. What's that?
Collar and a what, mate? Collar and a
Matt, we might be keeping all of this wall plate.
So that's it. Roof off. Job done. Don't look very big when it's flying through the air, does it? Can end up in the wall plate house. So there we go, that's the last bit to come off the roof, and now the job begins to repair it and put it all back together again. Fantastic, brilliant. So I might just so Jake,
Pete. Went alright, didn't it?
I think it did brilliantly.
Yeah, I thought it'd be at least a couple of days, but we've done it in one day, so not too bad at all. The next big job is getting this thing covered over, protecting it from the elements.
Yeah.
Which will be Clint's department. I'm sure he'll get us covered over and in the dry rather swiftly. Then we start with the next phase of wall plates and floors and roofs. So yeah, looking forward to getting stuck in certain other than walls.
Cool. Alrighty. So we'll sign off for today. It's going to be a bit funny actually, because we got all the haven't we got like Historic England and conservation officers and everybody turning up tomorrow to watch the trusses coming off?
Yeah, they were coming for the big hurrah at the end, but they've missed it, unfortunately. So we were too quick for you, I'm afraid.
Well, I think, Jake, that comes down to the fact you're bloody good at planning things. I mean, you've been planning this for weeks, if not months, haven't you?
Yes, yeah.
This didn't just happen today.
No, it's been a long time coming, and it's paid off with how swiftly and relatively painlessly it's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have to get you to just walk us through before you go. what's going to happen to those on the ground. We'll go for a little walk and you can explain how it's all going to come together on the ground.
Yeah, I mean, have you got a shot of the wall plates here that we're going to be putting down, Pete? I mean, you can see.
Well, go on.
This is the old wall plate that was very much in the similar fashion to what we've got up here, but all the way along here we just had a mishmash of different bits of timber bolted roughly together all the way along, which is why most of it has come out now. So we'll be replacing this whole section with new oak 8x8 all the way along here. And I think we've got 4 nice long pieces of oak to get us our 15-metre run here with some nice decent scarf joints on. Certainly didn't have any good scarf joints on it before, so yeah, that'll be a big bulk of the work up here. We've also got the floor to do,
Yeah.
dragon beam as we discussed the other day. But, yeah.
I think this is a good example of some of the mess. I mean, this is more recent work, isn't it? But
yeah,
how many bits of wood are actually on this?
Yeah, just in this couple of metres, you've got 1, 2, 3 bits of wood. Something else on the end there. It's just
Crazy.
Bits of strap in here. You know.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It was a real mess. And I think this post you're going to try and
pull that back in
see
a
if you can
little
pull
bit.
that back in.
Somewhere along the line, it's decided to lean itself out a good sort of 3 inches, 3.5 inches. So we'll try and pull that back in line so that we can face it to the rest of the frame. Yeah, so yeah, we'll go down on the ground and have a look at the structure and the wall plate.
Brilliant. Alrighty, so we'll sign off from the actually quite sunny. We've been very lucky today. The weather's been incredible. So we'll go for have a look on the ground and see what we can tell everybody about how these are going to be put back together again.